Welcome to the uRISQ Cyber Privacy Suite. Let's get started. Data breach support provides you with peace of mind and guides you through the analysis and required reporting process for both regulatory and consumer notification in the case of an exposure of personal information. Personal information, or PI, can be defined as any information that can be used to identify an individual. Some examples of personal information are ID numbers, financial records, passwords, medical information, signatures, employment history, and others. Through this process, you will be guided by a certified privacy professional who will advise if your incident is or is not reportable. If reportable, guidance will be provided on how to properly comply with the various state, federal, and international reporting requirements. If your organization believes you have experienced a breach, use the uRISQ Secure Portal to submit a data breach support request. To submit a request, complete all the fields, then click Submit. Ensure you provide a phone number and email address that you can be reached at with little delay. One of our certified information privacy professionals will contact you at the phone number you provided. If you have a suspected data breach, businesses are potentially required to report to the states and countries based on the customer's residence or citizenship. This may require reporting to multiple state, federal, and international regulators, as well as consumer notification in all districts. Multiple federal regulations, as well as laws in all 50 states, detail reporting procedures and protocols. uRISQ. Data privacy solutions simplified.